Here's a pair of the JBL Vibe Beam 2 earbuds. I'm going to show you how to pair and connect these directly to a Hisense Fire TV via Bluetooth. So the first thing we should do is just put these into pairing mode. We'll know that these are pairing mode if both of the buds blinking blue, blue, blue. Okay, so let's take the buds out. Take them out, and then you can wait 5 seconds and just see if you get any blue blinking lights after 5 seconds. You can also put these in your ears, of course, and it may say pairing or it may say connected. Okay, but mine, I get like a solid blue light and then mine turns off. Okay, so mine's not in pairing mode. I want it to blink both of them blue, blue, blue. Okay, but I'm connected to a different phone, so I have to manually put this in a pairing mode. And how you manually put this in a pairing mode is, it doesn't matter, you can use the right or the left earbud. What you want to do is tap and then tap and hold the touchpad there. If you leave it in your ear, if you tap and then tap and hold, after 6 or 7 seconds it should say pairing. Okay, or you can just hold it like this, just use the left or right one and tap and hold, and we can watch for the blue light to start blinking here. Okay, so we'll go tap and then tap and hold. I'll just wait for this one to start blinking. Hold it down for like 6 or 7 seconds. Okay, there we go. So now, even though I did one, both of them will start blinking. Okay, so both of them are blinking blue. They are in pairing mode. Now let's shoot over to the Fire TV and just go directly to your settings. If you have a settings on button on remote, you can go there. If not, just navigate, just go to the home screen, click on the home button on your remote, and just go to the gear icon all the way towards the right. And then we're going to go down and we're going to go to controllers and Bluetooth devices. Let's select that. From here all the way down to other Bluetooth devices, select that. Now you can see I have a bunch of other headphones and earbuds connected to this TV, but we just want to go down to add Bluetooth devices. Let's select that. Now it's searching for devices that's in pairing mode that is near me, which is about 30 feet Bluetooth range. These are in pairing mode still. It's still blinking blue. And just wait till it finds it, and there you go. It did find it. JBL Vibe Beam 2. Let's select that. And it should say connected on the earbuds as well. And you can see that it says connected down there. And if I go all the way up, you can see that we're connected. Okay, because it says select to disconnect. If I go to another one where I'm not connected, it says press select to connect. Okay, but this one says disconnect. So anyway, these are paired and connected, ready to go. Now, if you had issues pairing or connecting these, you can always factory reset these earbuds. If you need to do that, look for that link below in the description area.